Culver's Deluxe starts with quality beef, using 80-20 ground chuck for a perfect balance of juiciness and crispy edges. And roll them into loose balls. Don't compact them, make sure they're loose. Next, make sure you butter the buns. Get a good coating of butter on there. I used compound butter on mine and it made it really good. Get those burger buns on the grill and crisp them up. Careful, don't want to burn them. Now we smash them, and we smash them hard. Hold it down for at least 15 seconds and make sure they get really thin. If you're going to use a new 20-inch camping griddle, make sure you have a silicone cover over the smasher. Don't forget to season the burgers. We use a 60-40 mix on our salt and pepper shaker. A smash burger should be flipped when the bottom side develops a deep golden brown crust. Usually takes between 2 and 3 minutes depending on the heat and the thickness. Look at these golden toasted buttered buns. They look wonderful, don't they? Of course, we had to have cheese on ours. Nothing but Wisconsin cheddar cheese. Nothing but the best. And oh, by the way, I'm a cheesehead. I'm from Wisconsin too. If you want to get the cheese melted quick, you can use a basting cover. This one's from Blackstone. Just squirt a little water underneath and just let it sit for a few minutes. You might have to throw a little bit more in after a few minutes, but generally it does it quickly. Man, these burgers are starting to look good. About time to take them off the griddle and start making our deluxe Culver's ButterBurger. I'm here at Culver's and I got a single deluxe cheeseburger. I'm gonna take it apart and see what's on it. And then we'll try to create this at home this evening. Let's see. So it has a butter on top bun, then a regular smash burger, 1 slice of cheese, a tomato, 1 onion ring or 1 onion slice, a little bit of looks like 2 pickles. All right, I can do that. Let's see how it tastes. Well, I'll finish this here, and then I'm going to go home and prepare to make this on a Blackstone. Finally, we get to make the burgers. I'll speed this up so you don't take so long to watch. Culver's puts mayo down first, and then they put a little layer of lettuce, followed by the onions, the pickles, and then the tomatoes. When we get done, this thing's gonna look good. We'd like to have you subscribe. If you don't mind, we really appreciate it. It would help our channel out, and we'll continue making videos for us. Let's see how this turned out. Well, what do you think? Do I like it? Looks like I'm going at it pretty good. I'm shaking my head. I'm actually shaking the table pretty good if you take a look. You seem to think
this is better than the ButterBurger.